The TechAbility Art Path consists of the suite of Adobe products including Premiere, Photoshop, Animate, and more. In this Premiere lesson, we are going to make a video by editing a few different clips and add in transitions and notations. I'm going to drag in my two video clips in front of the title page. I'm then going to scrub through the timeline just to make sure everything looks good. Now I want to add a next, which is a transition from one video clip to another. I'm going to change the wording on the next to match the program of the video that I'm showing. I'm then going to change the color of all of the bars that are on this next to match the program that I'm showing off as well. I'm then going to go and find the lower thirds that I like, drag it in, move it to where I want, and change the text on this as well. Then I click play and go ahead and watch my video. We'll start off using the clone stamp tool on a new layer. We'll grab from the image that we want to paint over and start pinning in on our new file. We'll create a new layer, grab our beach image with the clone stamp, and start painting in our bottom section of our new photo. We'll then put a mask on our beach layer and start to mask out the pieces of the image that don't quite work. Once we get that all set on there, we'll make the beach image a little bit bigger to fit the scene a little bit better and continue to mask out to make the photo look even better. Now let's bring the animal we created in last class by going to Edit at the top, switch back to our scene, go to Edit, Paste, and bring him in our scene. Now we'll make him fit the scene.
Today we are going to animate a walk cycle. Open the fully rigged character project and create a duplicate of it by going to File, Save As, and renaming it Walk Cycle. Once we're done looping it, we can animate the background. Let's import in a background for our scene by going to File, Import to Library. First, create a new layer and make sure it is on the bottom of all your other layers. Rename it as Background. Drag the background that you want into your timeline at one frame and position it so that it is just covering your screen. Then, right-click on the layer and say Create Motion Tween. Then, go to 24 frames and move the background so it appears as if it is moving with the character.